All right, y'all, Philly D back with a nighttime draw. You know what I mean, it looked like it's daylight, but it's actually getting dark, y'all. But yeah, I got a 2011 Ford Focus with the big 2.0 liter engine. You know what I'm saying? I'm walking back here because I just remembered that I popped the trunk instead of the hood, so y'all can check it out. But there's the trunk while we at it. Let's go back up to the front. But yeah, y'all, I'm on an inspection, so I'm on a test run. This inspection is actually for tomorrow, but since I'm still here, I'm like, let me just start it now and possibly just finish to save me time tomorrow, because I'm the only inspector here, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be busy. You know what I mean? But check it out, we got the Ford Focus right here. This ain't my type of car, and I don't even like Ford unless it's like a GT 500 or something. But I have to admit, these things run. Like, I never see them in the shop, I never see them break down. You know what I mean? They good cars, they run. You mean, I can't say that about too many other Fords, but these Ford Focuses, I never see them in the shop, man. Never see it in the shop. But check it out, man. Let's check out the wheels real quick. It's so dark I can't even see, man. What are these, like some 16s or something, some 15s? Y'all know I like to do a little quick review on these in case one of you guys that's watching like these and y'all in the market for something like this. You know what I mean? A little get around John or something. It is the SE edition. You know what I mean? Check it out. It's a clean car though. Real clean car. Let me see if the doors ain't never open when I drive a car, yo. Good thing I keep the window down. Check it out. Those are a clean car, y'all. You know what I mean? Let's check the engine out real quick. Motherfucker. I thought I popped the hood, y'all. I know y'all want to see the engine, right? Let me see if I can pop this. Oh, God. Man. That's Ford, right? Damn. All right, let's get up in this joint so y'all can see the engine real quick. There we go. That's the big 2.0. I don't know if y'all can see. Hold on. It's kind of dark. There we go. Yeah. 2.0, y'all. Good gas mileage. You know what I'm saying? Bam. Check it out. Check out the grill. Man, I'm ready to go, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but I'm ready to go. Like, man, it's been a long day. Let's check out the inside real quick. This is a motherfucking doors locked, yo. Wow. It's a good thing I keep them windows down. But then sometimes you'll get a car where the window won't work, so now you just ass out. You know what I mean? So a lot of cars that come in, you got to be kind of skeptical about these windows, because if you roll down these windows and they don't work, and that customer didn't come in to get their window fixed, well, guess what? You are now responsible for getting that window back up. So take precaution when you rolling down these windows in these cars, man, because it becomes your problem if you roll that window down. All right, let's check out the inside. Check out the inside real quick. Yeah, close the door. You got 73,000. You know what I mean? Here y'all go. Nice little car, man. Nice little car. Got the lights going on. You know what I mean? It's a Ford Focus, y'all. You get what you pay for. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna close this one out, get back to the shop before they pull in another job and they want to call D to bang it out. God, man, you don't pay me enough for that, cuz. It's like, no. But yeah, man, if y'all looking for something like this, here you go. It's a nice little car. You know what I mean? Like, comment, share. Did I tell y'all? Yeah, I did tell y'all it's in for an inspection. So that's what I'll be doing to this. We're gonna go from there. All right, so yeah, again, like, comment, share, subscribe, and that's what I wanted to say. If there's a car that you guys want to see and I come across it, I can review it for you. You know what I mean? Just let me know in the comment section, because I get a lot of different cars in here. New cars, old cars, all types of cars. And trust me, if I get my hands on it, I'm going to try to get a video. All right. So yeah, again, like, comment, subscribe, and I catch you on the next one. All right, y'all, quick update on that 2011 Ford Focus. They came in for state inspection. Everything was good with the car except for their rear shocks. So I told them they needed rear shocks, and I recommended an oil change. They did both. I just wanted to show y'all real quick on this test drive real quick just how to do these shocks on this car. It's real easy, man, real simple. So I'm just gonna explain it real quick. So first of all, these shocks only got a top and a bottom bolt. All right, most shocks do. So you want to come in here on this particular car and most other cars, you're gonna pull down this panel here, and right here is your top bolt. Okay, all you got to do is like loosen that bolt. That's all you have to do. And then you got a couple washers here in the bushing. You just take them off from off the top of the strut, take them off, lay them here. Then you want to come underneath the bottom. Let me get up under here for y'all real quick. I didn't think about doing this until I pulled off, but on the bottom of that strut there's another bolt. I should have brought the old one for y'all. Fuck. See, there's a strut here, okay, on the wheel well, and straight down there's one more bolt. All you got to do is just take that bolt out. Okay, so you got two bolts. Take those two bolts out and the strut will literally fall out. Okay, when you put the strut or the shock back in, you might need a little bit of support to lift up the rear subframe, or you could finagle it in there. You could probably get it in there, but that's all you literally got to do to get these struts out in this car. I keep saying struts, but they're shocks. All right, you want to make sure you put the customer shit back. Okay, if you're working on customer's car, if it's your car, do whatever you want. Working on customer's car, you got to put their shit back. All right, but yeah, y'all, that's the quick update. That's all I did was the oil change on it and the rear shocks. I'll give y'all a little quick look again of the Ford Focus. There we go, baby. All the jobs I do, I don't get to, you know, do a review or come out here and tell you about it. It's usually cars that I have to test drive that y'all will see. So you're not gonna see all the jobs, okay? I might do one like hands-on. Y'all might actually see me do it, or I might just come out here and talk about it, but y'all will only see me out here if I'm on a test drive. So there you go, y'all. If y'all enjoyed the video, if y'all like the car, let me know in the comments. Like it, subscribe, and I'll check you on the next one.